Hello everyone, today is 3rd March 2024. I want to show you the growth of my 5 Japanese maples that I ordered from mrmaple.com. This is the one that I was thinking it is not growing at all, but just now 5 minutes back I saw, see the rootstock that is alive. You see these? So there are new branches, but in the grafted branches that I'm expecting new branches, I don't see anything. But see the new growth. So I still have hope. Let's see. And then you see these. This is sister ghost. I mean this one. This is sister ghost. Nice. Right? A lot of branches. This is my west side window. I'm sorry. South side window. And you see this? And this plant I just bought yesterday. This one I just loved it. I don't know the name. The leaves are very thick, kind of sedum, but I feel it is a type of jade. I found it interesting and I bought yesterday from Adam's farm flower. So just trying to show you. So technically the sister ghost, it looks like more white in the garden. Now it is green, but it has a lot of white kind of variegation, and once it is outside in the real weather and sunlight, but now it looks like this anyway. And then this is amber ghost. This is amber ghost, so that is also, you see how it looks. I'm just trying to show you from this side too. The leaves. Amber ghost is, I think, bronze color leaf outside. But see the leaf of rootstock. See that one also. And this is moonrise. And you can see they are going to get big leaves. Like moon. That's why they say moonrise. Right? And then this is autumn moon, this one. I'm just trying to get autumn moon. And this is aureum. This one is aureum. This is aureum, this is autumn moon, and this is moonrise. 3 variety of Sirasavanum. So if you see, are you able to see this leaf? See this one, right? And then in that way I think it zooms properly. See the leaf? It looks healthy, even this one. And surprisingly the weather is too good today. Unbelievably, right now it is 65°F. So only today, and then it is between 40 to 60. The whole week it is between 40 to 60°F. But I'm happy. Now I'm happy with these plants. And there are a few more plants that I want to show you. I bought from Adam's farm. We went for a flower show yesterday with few friends, and excuse me, I bought this orchid. This is the first orchid in past 22 years that I bought. Somehow I had no good idea about the orchids, how they bloom, how often they bloom per year. I was thinking, whenever I used to see pretty blooms in the store, I used to think that only once a year they will bloom, and maybe it is 1 or 2 weeks, that's it, and then I have to see the empty leaves throughout the year. That was my idea, wrong idea. But one of my friend, she has a very good collection of orchid, and she gave me few good things about orchid, and I wanted to buy one. So this is the one. It has no blooms, and that's why it is you can see $14.99. Otherwise this is $30. So because there is no blooms, they just want to clear the plants and they put it on discount. But these are the new branches. They will produce new blooms. This one, and I think there is one more, this one. So there are 3 new branches which will have new blooms, and these, they are done with the blooms, current time blooms. So I thought, let me try, and I did not want to spend a lot of money. So how it will go, I will see, and if I am successful, you will be seeing me adding more and more orchids later on. So this is my first orchid and I am excited. Anyway, now I showed you one hanging basket. That is one I bought. This is one I bought. And then this is silver mame, I think. See, mame silver. So these are also very expensive. But I saw this is reduced price somehow. So it's good to try. When you try some new plants, it's good to start with less money, so that if it goes wrong, you will not regret a lot. So I found it interesting. This one, you see, right? Mame, right? It is a philodendron and mame silver. Mame silver cloud is also a variety. I am not sure if it is the same or they are different. Okay, I am new to these, but as an indoor plant, because these are tropical plants and we can grow only indoor in our zone 6. So I wanted to try. I thought it is going to have huge leaves with this silver kind of look in their leaves. So thinking that, I purchased this one, but I already have one of these, and this is a vine. So this is a vine, and this is, I think they call it crawler. Crawler means they need support, or they will just crawl and you can give additional support. So I believe this vine, this is they look similar but they are different. I believe this is a different plant. And long time ago I bought this one, not yesterday. I'm just searching the tag if I can show you. It says philodendron, if it is the correct one, philodendron sodiroy. So anyway, long time ago I bought this one. I bought from Home Depot. So I think last year also I had one, it died, but that was a little tiny, and this one after that I bought. So though they look similar, they are different. And these are indoor plants. And this is, I think, moon sansevieria. This is moon sansevieria. That is sword sansevieria. They don't need a lot of light. Low light is good for them. For this one also, this is a Hoya plant. I don't remember if I recorded about this when I bought. They are very thick. They need very little water and very little light. So, and one more thing I bought, I wanted to tell you. I have a lot of blue hosta still. I bought these from our local store. This is summer blooming mixed 3 plants, means there are 3 roots. I have blue, but there are many varieties of blue hosta. So here it is not mentioned exactly what variety. So I wanted to try. It's not a lot of money for 3 roots, and they take few years. These hosta to look beautiful. They will multiply and they look very pretty, but at least 3 to 5 years they need to be settled in the soil. So that's why I thought I will plant in 3 different locations, and then after a few years we will see how it is. It may be the same variety that I already have. I have Big Blue and Big Daddy, 2 variety if I remember, and then Halcyon, that is also I think blue, small leaves, and Impress U. So those 4 varieties I already have. So these are, and Abiqua drinking gourd that I planted 2 years ago. I have a few variety, so I'll just try to see if they are new variety that I do not have, and even if they are the variety that I already have, still it is good. They look very pretty. Then I bought this one. This is Hosta Olive Belly Langdon, and I have this one near my New Dawn climbing hydrangea behind that. And I love the way the leaves are, and they are huge leaves. Now it is nearly 7-8 years already, so they look very very beautiful with multiple what it is called, I don't know, multiple branches, though they don't have branches, right? So multiple roots, I means they multiplied over the years, and now they have lot of leaves and they look very beautiful with big leaves. And I think they call it corrugation, the type of lines, the venation, right, it is called, if I'm correct. These venation, I mean, so those venations are little bit deep, and if you see, they look like the area between the venation, they are little ruffled, right? So it gives, that is called maybe corrosion, so it gives a completely different structure to the leaves. I think like that these leaves looks, right, this and this. Yeah. So different hosta have different structure of leaves. So the way these leaves are, I love them. So though I have, still I thought I will plant, and see, this is $5.42 only for 2 roots. And if I will dig them, which I already have, and divide, it is a lot of work. I can't do it. If I hire, they will take $100 per day. So I thought this is better way, buy a new root and plant. That's why I bought. I will plant it in different location. And the good thing about hosta are, once you plant and then forget, they don't need a lot of maintenance. Each year they multiply, each year they come back, so they are very good to add in the garden.